Hi guys. Hey, wanted to do an unboxing. The amazing RC Elf sent me out a couple of cars that were gently used, and he asked me if I'd like to have them. I said sure. So I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing here. Very, very cool. RC Elf. I just am amazed at what he does. I mean, the stuff that he does for our RC community, it's beyond words. Oh, what do we have? Whoa. Well, I got a pretty good idea. Right there's one of the manuals. A Blackfoot. Very cool. Man. Always wanted a Blackfoot. Always loved the Blackfoot. That thing is just so cool. There are parts trees. Awesome. Oh, wow. This is cool, guys. Check that out. A Tamiya racing fighter, DT03. Wow. Check that out. That is cool. Thank you, RC Elf. Wow. He said I'd have to do a little bit of cleaning up on them and everything like that, but he said they were in good shape, and he was right. Wow, that is awesome. Wow. Thank you. All kinds of parts down here. There's a radio for the racing fighter. Sweet. Parts, there's a speed control. Nice. Bearings. Alright. I'll tell you, like I said, the RC Elf is just amazing. I appreciate this so much. Here is another transmitter. Alright. Very cool. Some stuff out of here. A lot of little bags. Oh wow. What do we have here? Bag out of it. There it goes. That is very, very cool. A Blackfoot. Very cool. Awesome. Man. That is so cool. Thank you so much, RC Elf. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Alright, that's box number 1. What I do with my blade. Uh-oh. There it is. And let's get box number 2. So cool. packing bags. Alright, this is the body for the Blackfoot. Very well wrapped. Nice. I'll go through and do a video later of more in-depth what these are all about. But yeah, wow. Very cool. Check that out, guys. Masters of the Universe paint scheme. That's pretty neat. Love the Ford F-150s, F-100s. That copper color just looks awesome. Very, very cool. Thank you so much, RC Elf. That is awesome. Very cool. Oh, man. I tell you. Every day's like Christmas, you know, when you get a box in the RC Elf. I'm just glad I've been that lucky to be able to be included in the things that he does. You know, I got a small channel now, and I'm trying to make it better and bigger, and you know, that's one of the cool things that he does. He just tries to help out the guys that need the help, get the bigger channels going. Oh, a Tamiya Hornet. That is so cool. Love the Hornet, man. Hornets are awesome. Cool, and I got a Hornet that goes with the Grasshopper. Very cool. Check that out, guys. Alright, well, I am going to let you guys go for now. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video and show you guys the stuff that the RC Elf sent out. And I am so appreciative to him for what he's done. It's just amazing. So anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it, and stay tuned for more fun stuff to come. I'm going to be doing more in-depth videos with each of these, and do some running videos when the weather allows, and go from there. But gosh, guys, this is awesome. Thank you, RC Elf, and thank you guys for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Stay safe.